unstoppable. Nothing or no one can stop you. You are walking away from people, places, and things who no longer serve you. And yes, it was hard, and it is hard if you're in the middle of doing that now, but it's necessary. You are on your way to your wish fulfillment. All those things that you have manifested within the last 9 years, you will start to see come into fruition. Some of you are experiencing these manifestations in the now. For others of you, you're on your way to a new experience that you so rightly deserve. And it took for you to rid of certain patterns, certain ways of thinking, people, places, to achieve this dream. You had to remain balanced and centered despite the trials and tribulations that you've been through, and you have been through a lot. But you are resilient. You have reached a level of completion and a level of self-mastery. Yes, there's still room to grow and there's still things to do, but when you look back on where you have been, you have achieved so much, and you are going to achieve so much more. You are very cautious as to who you allow around you. You are now learning that not any and everyone can be all up in your energy. This is a new beginning for you, an exciting new beginning for you. And you ain't going to stop. Despite the hurdles, the pitfalls, the trials, the tribulations that you've been through, they've all been cycled out. The Spirit's not saying that things are going to be easier moving forward, but you have the tools now. You know how to maneuver yourself through certain situations. You're no longer not paying attention to red flags, shoving things under the carpet, wanting to see the best in others, leading to your detriment down the line. People from the past want to reconnect with you because they know that you are an amazing soul. And you are. You have touched many lives. You have overcome so many hardships, especially from your childhood for some of you. Abandonment issues, neglect. But it shaped you into becoming a beautiful soul, a beautiful human being. You did not allow your past to harden your heart. You alchemize your pain and turn your pain into purpose. And it's okay to rest sometimes, because you got that type of energy where it's just go, 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 go. But moving forward, Spirit wants you to have more time for rest and rejuvenation. You have more discernment now. You are focused. You have your eye on the prize. And despite what people say, whether they agree with your goals or not, whether they speak ill about you, you're not allowing that to bother you anymore. You're not allowing that to distract you, because you realize that it's part of their plan to steer you off path. You are your own cheerleader. You lead with love. You are of love. Spirit says, take time out for healing. You have been through a lot. Give yourself grace. Seek therapy if you feel you need to. Journal your thoughts. Talk to a trusted family member or friends. Rest. Allow yourself that time to recenter, rebalance, rejuvenate, and then return. But moving forward in general, I feel like you do need to take time out every once in a while. Yes, you are a powerful, dynamic force to be reckoned with, but you need to find a balance. You need to rest and reset, and don't feel guilty about it, because a new start is coming and you are ready. Spirit's ready. You are aligning with your manifestations. You are aligning to the frequency of your manifestations. You're leaving the past behind. And that could include some people also. But expect a powerful change. You are stepping into a brand new version of yourself. If folks thought you were unstoppable before, then boy, are they going to be in for a surprise. And you're going to need to take time to breathe out, because even you are going to be shocked. You're going to achieve so much. And you're going to look back and think, wow, I really did it. And yeah, you did. Congratulations in advance. I believe in you. But your dreams need a practical plan. So despite the fact that you have all these goals and ideas that I know and that you know that you can achieve, you need to break those goals down into bite size and go towards the goal that you feel is more important to you, and take it from there, because you can do it. Anything you put your mind to, you can do it. Just have to believe and you will achieve. I'll speak to you soon. Butterflies, take care. Absolute pleasure. Peace out.